Hi friends, welcome to another session on Google Classroom. In our previous session, we have seen how we can create account in Google Classroom, and we have also seen how can we add the students, how can we invite the students. Today, let's see how can we share material through Google Classroom. It is a demo class and which a stepwise which would be easy to follow. Let's go to our class. Okay, this is the teacher's mail. From here also, by selecting the apps, you can log into Classroom. You will see after logging in, as we created two classes, BSc class and one BTech class, you have seen in our previous videos. You can also create another class, or else if you today we are going to share the material, so go to our class where we two students already got joined here in our demo class. When you open your class, this is teachers console stream. It is first BSc classwork. Here you have to post the classwork, and this is a drop down box where you can create something like assignments, quiz, or you can post a question. You can post relevant material to them. Today let us see how can we post relevant material. By selecting the material, just select the topic like enzymes, give any instructions, read the document, or watch the video, like that you can give. And there is a drop down box like add. When you select this one, these are the options which you can see. You can select, you can add the material through Google Drive. Let's see what happens by selecting the Google Drive. When we, if you have already material, it's okay. Select upload, then it is said here select the files from your device or drag files here. Now I am dragging, drag and dropped some of the files from my desktop. When I added, then select upload button just below this one. It is uploading. Or else if it is in your drive already, if it is in your drive already, then you can go to the drive. It is uploading, can see uploading. After uploading, automatically it reaches the previous one. Here there is one document which is added. You can also add file. Let's see what happens by selecting this. Select a file from your device. You can go to your desktop or any other location where you want to where is your material can be added, and in a similar fashion you can upload them. It also got uploaded. If you have any link, you can give the link so that the students by clicking the link can able to see the material, or else you can make the students to watch a video from the YouTube, a relevant video which you post, like for example amino acids. Just to type the heading of the title for the video, then you can it gives hits, then you can select video, then at the end you can see the add button, select add, then it too got added to your classwork. Now we added three documents. One is the Word document, enzymes and the biology notes we added through Google Drive, and one through YouTube we added. After adding all of them, you can select post, or else you can also create Google Docs or spreadsheets or forms where you have to work. We'll see that in the next video. First of all, let's see, already we have some of the documents available and we can post them. You can post to all the students, or else select only one or two students particularly. Now I am posting to all the students. Can select the topic, create a topic, enzymes. Can create another topic, enzymes, and at the end don't forget to click the post. It asks again confirm for the confirmation, then select post. It is posting now. Yes, under the title enzymes, these are the things which got posted to our students. Let us go to our students classroom and see how they appear. See, this is my students mail. Whenever something is posted by the teacher, it appears in the students inbox. New material, enzymes, has been posted by the teacher. When you select this one, it appears the teacher has posted a new material. When you select this one, you will directly go to Google Classroom, and there your class material, whatever that was posted by the teacher, it appears. See, these are the three 1-2 Word documents or PDF files we can post, and we can also ask the students to watch a useful video in the Google Classroom. It streams the YouTube channel streams here itself, and you can just watch without going to the YouTube. Directly, as the link is given, you can watch here itself. Okay, so in this manner you can see, you can post the material to the students. Let's see the students who have turned up. The students who have not turned up appears fade, and the students who have turned up or who got the invitation and entered the class appears like this. And in the next video, let us see how can we create an assignment in the next video. Thank you for watching.